This is one of the projects that my assistant and I worked on last year. There are 7 parts to making this oil burner. We would start off with throwing on the wheel to produce the body and the ball of the burner. Due to the complex nature of this piece, we could only complete a total of 30 pieces a day. We would normally do our wheel throwing production at about 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Then, by about 2 p.m., the pieces would be dry enough to be trimmed. Each and every of the pieces will be re-centered again on the wheel to be trimmed. Trimming of the 30 pieces on the wheel will usually take about 2 hours. After completing the trimming process, we would now join the 2 pieces together. We would then complete the joining process before we start cutting and carving out the patterns. We would start with cutting out a big hole which is big enough to insert a candle for the oil burner. Then we will cut out 3 little holes by the side as the pattern. As part of the design, to enhance the flower, we would now use a lidi stick to poke little holes around the hole that we have just cut. This is not the end yet. We have to create the 3 little legs. Each leg is rolled out individually and will be attached one at a time. Now that all the parts has been assembled, it is time to cut the rim and clean with a sponge and water.
Monkey see, monkey like, monkey do. bananamana.com